Hey, what's going on everybody? My name is Jay and welcome to the Ship Life. So for today's video, I got a real treat for you. I will be showing you the Grand Suite here on board Royal Caribbean's Odyssey of the Seas. Now the Grand Suite is in a class of suites on board Royal Caribbean ships known as the Sky class. I will be going over things like pricing. I'll show you around the room and give you all the different amenities and options and perks and bonuses that come with the room. Also, before we get started, this video is sponsored by Touring Plans. If you need to book a cruise, you need to book any other vacation like a theme park, you want to go to Universal, Disney, you need to go to a resort, check out Touring Plans. I will leave a link to their website in the description box below, and it will also be pinned in the comments. I'm telling you, they are amazing, and they will make sure you have the best experience possible. Now let's go ahead and get started. Deck 11, room 226. This room right here. Now, when you get a Sky Suite on board Odyssey of the Seas, you do get a darker blue sea pass, kind of separates you from the pack. Also, I want to show you this cool feature right here. Look, if you ring this, you get a doorbell. How cool is that? Now we're gonna go ahead and walk inside, guys. Now we're gonna just give you a little scan around. I'll show you some of the cool things that come with this room. Because some of this stuff is you won't notice until you get in here. Now, as we walk around, guys, I'm not gonna show you closet space here because this is not my room. This is a friend of mine, and he's got all kinds of clothes and stuff. But just know that it has plenty of space in here, and I'll show you one of the other closets. Hey, it's me. Now the room does come with champagne, got some Moet here, and this really cool statue. Looks like a break dancer. Perfect fit for me. Now also when you come in this little cubby right here, we got a refrigerator, so it's not a mini bar. So if you want to put stuff in here like water, you can go ahead and do that. And also there's plenty of drawers right here as well. You can see there's plenty of shelf space. This is also where they keep the hair dryer as well. So yeah, I mean, just regular clothes, nothing crazy, nothing fancy. So we're gonna go ahead and work our way over to the coffee maker. I know a lot of people want to make their espresso and whatnot. You got all that right here available for you. Water, more cubbies that are kind of hidden in the back over here. And of course you got your outlets, your USB ports, all that over in this area. Now you also got a TV here, which has been pretty nice. I did come in here one day with a friend of mine and we watched a couple movies. Then we watched Django. We got some more space over here. We can start working our way. We got a glass table, which, I mean, it's pretty big. You can eat on it, do whatever you need to do. We got these couches over in this area as well. Now, to be honest with you guys, the couch is not super comfortable, but it definitely does the job. You got more table space over here, of course, more outlets, USB ports. Now, we're gonna go ahead and go to the balcony, and then I'm gonna show you something really cool about the balconies and the windows, and we'll go from there. So, all you gotta do is take this guy here, right? You just, get in here, give it a little bit of a yank, and it opens all by itself the rest of the way. How cool is that? Now, let's go ahead and go out to the balcony. Now, it's like any other balcony door. You just go ahead and pull this guy down, and just like that, you're in. By the way, guys, I apologize. This is the Royal Grand Suite. I think I messed this up. It is considered a Sky Suite. It's a different category of suites here on Royal Caribbean's Odyssey of the Seas and the Royal Caribbean ships. But you do get cool lounges right over in this area. You get a table, and you get some chairs over here as well. And this very nice and large balcony. Now, as we work our way back, I did want to show you guys this cool feature here. So there are a lot of things that you can control over here, like the lighting and whatnot. I'll show you in a second here. But also, let's say you have these curtains right here you want to go ahead and close. You just press the sleep button, and just like that, it'll close not only the first initial shade that I have open, but the other shades that will make it a little bit more dim, a little bit more darker as well. Of course, you can also play with the lights here. There's different features and stuff you can do with the lights. You can make it brighter if you want to, and then you have other things like there's movie settings. Yep, so you get the idea. Let me just turn the light back on, and we'll go ahead and finish our walk around. Now you see this other set of shades over here. They have another, well, it's also used as a thermostat as well, but they have this little screen here. You can still mess around with this one as well. So let's say you want to open those up. You can just use the morning feature, and boom, just like that, here they are. So you got two different controls on each side. Now, just so you guys know, you can only go out on that other side over there. This is just a window. Big, nice, beautiful view. You get the idea. Now we'll go ahead and make our way toward the bed. So over here, of course, you got a cool lamp that you can control on each side. Now they do have a USB port, or sorry, they only have a plug on this side, but either way, it's functional, does the job. We got a couple more cubbies and drawers over here if you need it. You got a second TV over here as well. And we'll work our way over to this guy. So we have the shelves over here, other side of the bed. Now, I did sit on the bed and lay on it for a second. It's extremely comfortable. Very comfortable bed. Now, also, we got another desk over here if you need it. So, as you can see, My friend over here is using it for their makeup and just trying to get set up for the day. Also, I'll briefly show you this closet here. Check this out. So there's plenty of room here. I'm not gonna just give you a quick little scan through just to show you how much room is available. And know that if you come in one of these Sky Class suites, you'll be good to go. So now we're going to go ahead and check out the bathroom. I know all you guys are dying to see it. Here we are. Now I got to tell you, the bathroom is extremely nice, very spacious. And for a cruise ship room and a suite, it definitely is going to do the job. I think, honestly, you're going to be very happy with it. Show you guys around. Of course, you got a tub. Most rooms, you only got a walk-in shower. They got all your soaps, everything that you would need. The shower head does detach, so definitely some cool features. I mean, I know they have the shower head in every room, but either way, the fact that you can take a bubble bath if you want to is pretty cool. So we'll work our way around. You do get robes for every single room. I'll tell you right now, if this was me, I'd be wearing this around the entire ship without hesitation. It's your toilet, your sink, so you got two sinks here and here. Now, let's go ahead and walk out because you can also go on the other side, and just like that, we are back over to the front of the room. Now, in case you were wondering about the price, this room typically, at least from what I've heard, will float around the $9,000 to $10,000 range. And yes, it is for the entire cruise. Of course, the price may vary depending on, of course, demand, time of year, itinerary. There's so many reasons as to why the price could fluctuate to astronomical amounts, like $10,000 and maybe even up to $15,000. I've seen rooms like this go for that much. Now, also with this room, not only do you, of course, get this beautiful room, you get to hang out, you do get like things like priority boarding whenever you get on the ship. You get room service that's complimentary, so you don't have to pay anything additional. Just, of course, always tip your room stewards and anybody that services you on board the ship. But you also get the Sky Lounge, which I believe is located on deck 13 aft. You get the Sky Deck, which is on deck 15 over by the movie screen. And then you get to go to, of course, the Coastal Kitchen. Now, I did check out the Coastal Kitchen when I first got on the ship. Amazing place, very quiet. Now, my only gripe about the Coastal Kitchen is that it is right below the seascape area on board the ship where all the kids are running around and hanging out, and it does cause a little bit of a disturbance. Anyway, guys, we are going to wrap up this video. If you have any questions, comments, concerns about one of these Sky Class rooms, or in particular the Grand Suite, please let me know in the comment section below. I appreciate all of you for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Take it easy.